Eddie Gabor is back with us. Now, Eddie, you've been very much in the news for the past year and a half, actually. You've been out of the market. Have you started buying back in yet?
We haven't bought back in yet. However, the last 30 days, we've been very active in actually reducing some of our defensive positions on rallies. So like yesterday, we raised a little bit more cash from Treasuries when those prices went up. We still have Treasuries as a holding, but now we've got our cash position up higher than it's been, ready to buy in certain sectors that we're looking to get into here in the very near future.
Are you getting any flack from your customers, from your clients? Because you've been out since November of 2021, I think it is. You haven't gotten back in full, and your clients have probably missed, what, a 30% run-up in some of the big name stocks. What are they telling you?
So look, our clients, timing matters, right? Everyone's talking about this 30% run-up, but that's from year to date. These areas are still down from when we started reducing risk. And look, our goal is capital preservation first and then growth. If this really is the start of a new bull market, there's plenty of meat on this bone to make a lot of money over the next several years. So our clients have been on board with our risk management strategy, and we're very clear on where we're going to be buying, because there's still lots of areas that haven't participated in this rally, and that's where we're going to focus and concentrate on, because this is not a buy and hold environment. We're going to be very active in what we buy, and what we buy we may pivot out of in 3 to 6 months if we get closer to this recession.
So wait a minute, you're not going to start buying again, what, for 3 to 6 months?
So we're going to start buying very soon, but if we see the economic data deteriorate, accelerating towards the end of the year, we're not afraid to pivot out and go back in to increase our cash. So we're going to look at healthcare, we're going to look at aerospace and defense that we think is great.
I just want to know, what's the signal to start buying again? What is it?
So I think July, when we get earnings and we get GDP, that you're going to see some headwinds that are going to come in. Plus, we're seeing the credit cycle continue to tighten. So there'll be some corrections along the way in these sectors that we're looking to buy. Healthcare is probably the first space that we're going to get into, because even if we do have a downturn in the back half of the year, that will hold up well. But earnings is going to be the headwind, in our opinion, where you'll get some great opportunities and entry points in the month of July and potentially August.
Well, it's June the 21st. July is a few days away. We're hanging on there. Thanks very much indeed for joining us, Eddie Gabor. I'm sure we'll see you again soon. Thank you, sir.